What's up, beauties? It's a Makeup Monday, and today we're doing a smoky eye with a red lip. Let's get into it. Okay, beauties. So first, I'm starting off with my eyebrows already filled in and ready to go. So what you're going to need to complete a smoky eye is a black liner like a crayon type or a black shadow stick. I found this one at my local beauty supply store. So you're going to take that shadow stick and just smear it or place it all over your lid. And then next you're going to follow up with a blending brush and we're going to blend it out so it doesn't look harsh. Now after we do that, we just don't want black, we want some definition, some dimension. So I am using this palette. I believe I got it on Amazon, but it's has some beautiful neutral colors, and I'm taking this terracotta brownish color and I'm placing it right above my crease, blended it into the black that we already placed in. Then I'm going to follow up with a clean brush and I'm just going to blend that right on out. And once again, I'm blending it into the black. I'm making sure all the edges are nice and sharp and blended in. Remember, blend, blend, blend. Okay, so now I'm going to tap into this black shadow right here. I'm going to place that all on the bottom of my lid where we originally placed the black crayon or black shadow stick, if you will. I'm just going to tap that all over that part, and then we're going to go back and blend that again with that same blending brush that we use to blend the browns. And as you can see, it gives you some type of dimension. And here we go, we're just going to blend that out once again. Make sure there's no harsh line and everything is flowing perfectly. So I'm going to kind of like speed through my face portion, but we're going to add this primer. Foundation is next, of course. Then we're going to do highlighting, all that good stuff. So I'm going to come back when we finish the rest of the eye. So now that that is complete, our face is complete, we're going to take a black liner and line our bottom water lash line. I can't even talk. And then I'm going to go back with that same black shadow and go right underneath there again. And this is just to make sure that the eyeliner stick and it gives me that smoky eye look. Then I'm also going back into that same brown terracotta color and I'm going to do my waterline again, but mostly at the corners where it meets. I'm just going to blend that out as well. Okay, so now we're going to apply some mascara. And because it's a smoky eye, I want to be really, really dramatic. You guys, I do not do lashes. I am not a lash girl at all, but I like the dramatic effect of eyeliner, so I pile it on. I use eyelash extension, well, not extension, a base for the eyeliner, yeah, a primer. That's what it's called. So then I'm just going to go ahead and finish my face. I'm going to add blush and some highlighter, and that's pretty much it. Now it's lippy time, and since this is a smoky eye featuring a red lip, I just think a pop of red lip or a neutral look lip will also work for this. But because it's Valentine's coming up, let's add a red lip. And I'm lining my lips with a brown lip liner. And then I'm following it up with one of my favorite red matte lip colors. This is from Holly Girls Lip Colors. And this is the final step, adding our red lippy. This tutorial is really, really simple, perfect for Valentine's Day. A smoky eye is so classic with a red lip, or like I said, you can add a nude lip. And I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you are subscribed for more Makeup Mondays and more Luxe lifestyle videos, all on a budget.